In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create header in Dorik. We'll start by getting into the Dorik builder. Open the Dorik login page, choose the option to sign in with your Google account, and select the Google profile you want to use. This takes you straight to your dashboard so you can focus on design instead of setup. Once you're in, locate your site on the dashboard and click Edit Site. The editor will load with your pages and sections visible. If you already have a top section reserved for your header area, make sure that section is selected so the new element lands in the right place. To add the actual header text, open the Add Elements panel and insert a heading, sometimes labeled heading or title. Clicking it will drop a heading block onto the canvas. If it appears lower on the page, simply drag it to the top section you're using for your header. With the heading selected, look to the right-hand settings panel to edit the text directly. Replace the placeholder with a clear, concise headline that summarizes your brand or page purpose. You can also adjust basic styles here, including text color and background, to instantly match your brand palette. Aim for strong contrast so your header stays readable. For more precise control, switch to the Styles tab. This is where you fine-tune spacing and presentation. Adjust margins and padding to give the header breathing room, add borders or a subtle shadow for definition, and set alignment so the text sits exactly where you want it. If your design uses a full-width look, consider reducing side margins. If it's a compact layout, add a touch more padding for balance. When you're ready to polish the typography, open the Advanced tab. Choose the font family that matches your brand, tweak weight and size for hierarchy, and refine letter spacing and line height for clarity. Keep your main headline prominent without overcrowding the rest of the page. If your page already includes a primary headline elsewhere, consider adjusting this header's tag level to maintain a logical structure for accessibility and SEO. That's it. You logged in, opened your site, added a heading element, customized text and visuals, then refined spacing and typography using Styles and Advanced. Explore variations to confirm everything looks clean, and you'll have a professional header ready in minutes.